Hello, and welcome to the OpenCorporates Guide to using the web portal to search for officers. Today we'll be covering the most effective ways to search for officers. This includes applying filters and understanding the type of information about officers that you can uncover using the OpenCorporates web portal. Firstly, we'll head to opencorporates.com and log into our account at the top right of the page. Enter your email and password to your account and select the Sign In button. Once logged in, you will be redirected back to the homepage. Before we take a look at the officer search, let's select the option Browse All Jurisdictions underneath the search bar. This will take you to the All Company Registers page, which lists all of the jurisdictions, the source register that we gather officer information from, and also gives you a preview of the number of companies and officers we hold in any one jurisdiction. If you'd like to look at all of the officers we hold within a specific jurisdiction, click on the number of officers and you can see the results available as shown on screen. In your day-to-day work, you may need to manually verify or even investigate further into a particular officer associated with a legal entity. So let's head back to the OpenCorporates homepage. If you know exactly in which jurisdiction the officer is operating, then you can select the jurisdiction from the drop-down next to the search bar, which will allow you to perform a more targeted search. But if you're doing an investigation, then you may wish to search a particular officer name in all jurisdictions that we cover. I will do this in my search and use the officer Simon Litherland. Simon is the CEO of Britvic, the same company that we looked at in our How to Search for a Company video guide. Let's hit the search button. Firstly, let's go over how to filter your search. Underneath the search bar, you will find an Exclude Inactive checkbox. When you check this box and search again, this will only return results for officers that are currently marked as active. This can help narrow down your search based on current relationships with a company. Under the Advanced Options section under the search bar, you can change the field that is searched from officer name to address. So should you be investigating a particular address, you can find all of the officers registered to the same location. On the right-hand side of the search results, you will see that you have some further options to filter your search. You will see you have the ability to filter by jurisdiction, position, nationality, and occupation where available. These filters allow you to be more targeted with your search criteria to see only the results that apply to your use case. Before clicking on any officer, you will see there is a small preview of information to help you determine which officer it is you are looking for. This contains data attributes such as their name, position, company that they are associated with, jurisdiction code, start date, end date where available, and also the address they registered with. If we then click on the officer associated with the company Britvic Soft Drinks Limited, we can see all of the information available about this officer. So, in addition to the information previewed in the search results, we also get information about their occupation, which in this case shows Peter is a chief executive, and we also display the nationality where available associated with the officer. Underneath the officer information, you have the ability to search Google for the officer's name to gather other information that could be relevant to your investigation. We also show the other officers in Britvic Soft Drinks Limited. On this page, we preview the first 30 officers. You also have the option to click See All, which will show the entire list of officers associated with this company. It's important to note that we do not resolve officers that could be the same person, as there are not enough unique identifiers provided by the registry for us to do so. However, on the right-hand side, we provide a list of similarly named officers. This can provide useful clues in identifying other officerships for the same person across different companies. We also find that you can be more confident that two officers are the same person if they hold multiple officerships together at different companies. For example, if person A and person B are officers at company 1, and you also find the same named officers at company 2, it is more likely that they are the same person as they have a similar network. When looking at the data in the United States, we'll often come across the position of an agent, as U.S. companies provide an individual or business entity designated to receive legal documents and official government communications on behalf of the company. The registered agent provides a verifiable and consistent point of contact for the company. Investigators can use this information to ensure they are reaching a legitimate representative of the company. Hopefully, you found this video useful, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our team. Thanks for watching!